I'm so grateful for this moment. When I started thinking about this, I didn't think I would get 100 people. Look at you. I wear this really unique uniform called the National Park Service uniform. It's beautiful. It's beautiful because I've been able to go into neighborhoods and talk to young people about their heritage and their culture. It's beautiful because it gave me an opportunity to live life that I never thought I would be able to live. I've been able to meet people from one side of this country to the next. I've worked in about 12 or 13 different parks, and every single park I've ever worked in, you were there. We have 419 units in our agency, and you have been in every one of them. I think that deserves a round of applause someday. I want to thank the city of Hampton. I cannot tell you how special it is to have that relationship. The state of Virginia, American Evolution, is unbelievable, the kind of work that happens behind the scene. Let me tell you folks, Project 1619 was here long before I got here. They have been out here telling this story for 20 plus years. That deserves a round of applause. I share this fort with Fort Monroe Authority. What you don't see is the great staff that sort of helps make this all happen. So thank you so much, I appreciate it. The only thing I'm gonna ask you to do right now is gather around the bell. But before we do that, there's some instructions I would like for you to do, because this is the first time I'm doing this in this space. When we gather around the bell and we ring the bells for 4 minutes, I need you to be respectful. This is a commemoration. When the commemoration is over, we will have a little bit of a celebration. We will have a little bit of joy. But for those 4 minutes, please exercise respect. We will ring the bell for 4 minutes, 1 minute for every century. As we ring the bells at the 1 minute mark, we will ring it to give you an indication that we're at the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, and so forth. Understood? So I'm gonna walk over to that bell, and if Mrs. McCoy is there, okay, very good, I'm coming. They're waving at me like, hurry up.
Keep an opening, please. I'll send it to you.
All I want you to do is repeat after me. Instead of doing 10, 9, 8, 7, we're going to use the words. You ready? Healing.
Healing.
Excellence.
Excellence.
Appreciation.
Appreciation.
Love.
Love.
Integrity.
Integrity.
Never again.
Never again.
Growth.
Growth.
Diversity.
Diversity.
Achievement.
Achievement.
Youth.
Youth.
Let's ring him. Ring him if you have it. Oh, what a beautiful sight. You're tired. 400 years is a long time. One of the things I wanted to do, because this is a historic day, this needs to be captured for the history books.
Yes.
So we're going to take our archival photo, and there's a drone sitting right there. Get in position. If you're under the tent, you want to be a part of this. We'll wait for you.